Good morning, everyone. Hello, a big kiss to everyone. I will be back soon, okay? I will see you soon, next Friday, hopefully. Okay, now, let's start by waking up. Yes, it's morning and we need to wake up. Okay, so everyone stand up. And let's get ready to shake. Okay? Here we go.
We're gonna shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake our sillies out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna clap our sillies out. Clap our sillies out. Clap our sillies out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Jiggle and waggles away. We're gonna jog our jiggles out. Jog our jiggles out. Jog our jiggles out. Wiggles and waggles away.
We're gonna stretch. Yes, let's stretch.
Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna yawn. Wiggles and waggles away. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna clap our sillies out. Clap our sillies out. Clap our crazies out. Wiggles and waggles away.
We're gonna
Jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna jog our jiggles out. Jog our jiggles out. Jog our jiggles out. Wiggles and waggles away.
We're gonna stretch.
Stretch our stretches out. Stretch our stretches out. Stretch our stretches out. Wiggles and waggles away. We're gonna yawn. Wiggles and waggles away. Wiggles and waggles away.
Okay. Good job. So, good morning. Good morning. Okay? What's this? This is a rainbow, yes. And what are these? These are clouds. And it's, what do you think it is? What do you think the weather is here? It's sunny. Yes, it's sunny. It's sunny. Okay, so let's start with our calendar. Okay. Let's start with the calendar. Here we go. Okay, so today it's now today it's today it's Friday. Yes, it's finally Friday. It's the 26th 26th of February. Very good. It's the 26th of February. The season is winter. See our snowman, winter. Now it's morning. See, it's morning. And today the weather is sunny. Yes, it's sunny. See, sunny. Okay, now let's repeat. Today is Friday, 26th February. It is winter. It is morning. And it is sunny. And the year is 2021. 2021. Very, very good. Okay, guys. Remember the parts of the day? Let's repeat the parts of the day. So, the sun wakes up, it's morning. Then, the sun comes out, it's afternoon. The sun sets, it's evening. And we go to sleep and the moon comes out, it's night. Okay, so morning, afternoon, evening, and night. One more time. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Very good. Okay, guys. Now, today you will be going outside. Yes, into the vegetable garden. Yes, you'll be going into the vegetable garden. Okay, the vegetable patch. And you will be preparing the soil. Yes, you'll be preparing the soil. Okay, so let's see what you're going to do today. Okay, so this is our vegetable patch. Okay, here are some vegetables. We have, what's this? Carrot, which we grew last time. Spinach, radish. These all we had in our vegetable patch. This is lettuce to make salad. This is a squash, and so is this, different color squashes. Okay, what else can we see in our garden, in our vegetable patch? It's a rabbit. Yes, it's a rabbit. And a dog. What else? Butterfly. Very good, a butterfly. And this little tiny one is a ladybug. Yes, ladybug. So we have to be on the lookout when you go out if you see any ladybugs or butterflies. Okay, what are we doing today? Today we are going to prepare the soil. We are going to prepare the soil for our seeds. See, these are the seeds for the vegetables. Okay, the vegetable seeds. How do we prepare the soil? Okay, first we use our trowel and rake. See, trowel and rake to loosen the soil, to move the soil around, okay, in our flower pots. Then, next time, we will put our little seed inside the soil. See, these are the seeds. These are the seeds that we will put inside the soil. See, inside the soil. But this will be next time. Yes, next time we will do this. Okay. Now, so seed, soil, then we also had trowel and rake to loosen, to move the soil around. Okay, guys? So, have fun outside. Look for the butterflies, or the, what else do we see? Butterflies. Caterpillars, yes. We can also look for caterpillars, for ladybugs, for butterflies, and for ants. Ants, these little tiny insects called ants. Okay? So, be on the lookout, okay? Bye-bye, guys. I will see you next time. Bye. Big kiss. Bye-bye.